Hey there, and welcome to the channel. If you're a property manager looking to boost your property marketing without blowing your budget, you're in the right place. Each week, I'll be sharing creative tools and tips and templates to help you attract more tenants and grow your brand online. In today's video, we're gonna cover how to create the cinematic drone shots of your property for free just using Google Earth. It means no photographer, no drone, and most important, no extra expenses. We're gonna start with Google Earth Studio. You can simply Google it, and this is how the page is gonna look like. You're gonna click on Try Earth Studio. It will prompt you to sign up, and all you need to do is basically fill out your information like your name, last name, company, your country, industry, and how did you hear about Earth Studio. Once you put all your information, you click submit. It will prompt you to a new window, which is going to say that your request has been approved. And all you need to do is click on the link, simply visit earthgoogle.com/studio, and it's going to take you to our studio. Also, side note, this is the first time I'm actually opening on my Mac. And as a default, I use Safari, and Google Earth apparently is not very friendly with Safari. So I had to reopen the app back on Chrome, and it worked perfectly fine. So now we have our home page of Google Earth Studio. There's two buttons that you will see, a blank project and open a project. Open a project, you can open any existing project. But if you look under the blank project, there is like this arrow down. You're gonna click on it, and there is another button which says Quick Starts. So we want to click on the Quick Starts because this is going to be the easiest way, because this is the most beginner-friendly project that you can get. And if you only have one property, this is perfect for you. No, so with Quick Starts, there are a few options. There's one that you can zoom to. It gives you like a little preview. Then you can also fly around the orbit. Then there's an option to do point to point. It's going to take you from one address to another address. It's also going to take you on a spiral. It's also an option. And the one that we are going to choose is fly to orbit. So fly to orbit is going to take you from one further away location and bring you closer to our property and then circle around in an orbit. And this works perfectly for any properties. I'm going to click on our template and click Start. It's going to prompt us to a search bar where you're going to put the address of the property that we want to do the drone shot. Okay, now we're going to type down the address of our building. Okay, we're going to click next. And then now we have a preview of the drone shot that we are preparing. There are settings that are pre-made, but if you want, you can adjust them as well. You can adjust the end altitude, you can adjust the target altitude, the orbit radius to which it is flying, as well as the angle. Honestly, the way I'm looking at it right now, I really like it. But if you want to play a little bit with the angles, you can use these settings to your liking. Do the angle. You can also put the setting if you want the camera to go clockwise or the other way around. Now that we're kind of settled on our preview of the video, we're going to click the next button, and then we can also select how long we want the video to last. It can last either super fast. Let's start it with like 5 seconds. It's going to run super quick. Or you can also run it longer. For example, let's put 35 seconds. It's gonna take it slow, nice time, okay? I'm gonna bring it back to 20, and then we're gonna click the complete button. And now we have another screen. This is where you can actually play more in detail with your drone shot. I'm not gonna lie, if you're a beginner, this might be a bit complicated. If this is your first time working with Google Earth Studio, you're probably only gonna see one window, which is okay. The second window also gives you an option to see it from the map point of view. What you see here is the radius of the camera. This is what the camera sees when it's flying there, and this is the route that it's taking. If you want, all of this can be changed and manipulated using keyframes. Keyframes, it takes you from one point to a different point, and you can make sure how smoothly it goes. But currently looking at our video, I think I'm pretty much satisfied with the way it looks. So what I am going to do, I'm gonna go and render the video. You're gonna name your video, and then you'll have to choose the setting which you would want to the render to happen. You can either have it as an image sequence, and and then we'll edit all together as a video. It's gonna save all the physical frames on your computer, or you can render it via the cloud and it's gonna set up in an MP4 form. I do recommend this option. I think it's the fastest and it's also not gonna take too much space on your computer. I'm gonna click cloud rendering. You can adjust your frames, you can adjust your dimensions. I honestly would not recommend change anything at the moment. So we're gonna click submit. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to complete the render. Make sure you don't close the window and don't change the window. There's sometimes issues with that. So I'd say wait until it's complete. We had about 5 to 7 minutes passed and our render is complete. You're gonna click cloud renders and you're gonna find your project here, which you can now download to your computer. We're gonna open the file and then you will see your render video complete. Now let's talk where you can actually use this drone shot video. The most popular one is social media. You can use it in your property overview videos. If you actually download Google Earth on your phone, you can actually export it as a vertical shot as well and add it to your Reels and TikToks. This video is going to be amazing if you're doing any investor presentation or marketing reports. You can also attach it into your email newsletter, or you can also use it on your website, either in your neighborhood section or about us section or somewhere towards the bottom. And lastly, you can also add it to your Google business page. It's gonna make it look more professional and increase your credibility during the search. And the best part about it, you create it once and can repurpose it for any of the platforms in the long run. If you find this video useful, please make sure you like it and then subscribe to the channel so you get the opportunity to find out more free tools and more creative strategies for marketing your real estate. Also, drop in the comments what else you would like to learn more about. It can be literally from creating content to marketing strategies. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.